How about some power cleaning on the go? Check out this cordless pressure washer we have for only $49.99. It has a rechargeable 48 volt battery. Can run up to 30 minutes runtime on the full charge. There's 363 psi with a 32-foot max spray distance. It does include the nozzles, extension wad, charger, and more. So what's great about this is it comes with a little siphon hose. So if you don't have a hose hookup or anything, you can fill up a bucket of water and it will pull the water from that bucket and then make this the pressure washer. Item number 68699, again for only $49.99.